What if I told you a single penny, just one, could be worth more than $10,000? Not a gold coin, not silver, just a normal-looking 1967 Lincoln penny. Millions of people have used it. Some spent it without thinking. Some tossed it into jars. But a few people found something different. A rare version, known as the Ibrahim 1967 penny. And here's the crazy part. There's a chance you might already have one. Stay with me, because later in this video, I'll show you a tiny detail most people miss, and that one detail can turn 1 cent into thousands. Let's go back to 1967. The United States was going through major changes. There was a coin shortage, and people were hoarding coins. So the government did something unusual. They removed mint marks completely. That's right, no mint marks on coins from that time. And that decision created mystery. Now here's where things get interesting. Some 1967 pennies have a strange marking, a faint, almost hidden pattern. That looks like the name Ibrahim. Yeah, Ibrahim. No official record explains it. Some believe it came from a damaged die. Others think it was a rare mint anomaly. But in the coin world, mystery means value. Now listen carefully. This part matters. If you want to find one, here's what to do. First, check the date. It must be 1967. Second, there should be no mint mark. That's normal. Third, look very closely at the coin surface. You're searching for faint lines, patterns or markings that resemble letters. You might need a magnifying glass. Good lighting helps a lot. Take your time, because this detail is easy to miss. Also, be careful of fake coins. Some people try to scratch markings into coins. If the lines look sharp or unnatural, it's probably fake. Real ones look subtle, almost hidden. Now let's talk about value. A normal 1967 penny? Just 1 cent. But this rare variation, even in average condition, it can sell for a few $100s. Better condition, over $1,000. And in rare cases, more than $10,000. Yes, for a penny, but condition matters a lot. Coins are graded from 1 to 70. Higher grade, higher value. That's why serious collectors use services like PCGS or NGC. And one very important warning, never clean your coin. Cleaning can destroy its value instantly. Even a small scratch can reduce the price drastically. If you think you found one, store it safely. Use a coin holder. Keep it dry. Avoid touching it too much. And if you're serious, get it professionally checked. Now think about this. Right now, somewhere, there's a penny sitting in a jar or a drawer worth thousands of dollars, and nobody knows. Maybe it's in your house. Maybe it's in your pocket. All it takes is one careful look. So check your coins. Take your time. Look closely, because that one small detail could change everything. If you enjoyed this, make sure to follow for more rare coin stories. And tell me, have you ever checked your old coins before? Because after this, you probably will.